This is getting crazy. I'm in southern Colorado. Holy shit. I'm in southern Colorado and I just got caught in a hailstorm. And it's starting to come down hard. Oh man. And I'm worried about the solar panels now. The solar panels get damaged. I'm so screwed. I mean, it's hard. It's coming down like I thought it was going to crack the windshield hard. Man. Nice. Rainbow. Of course, I get off the highway and it starts to die down. It's dying down right now, which is good. Hail. Who would have thought? Of all the things. Jesus. Found a gas station with one of those high roofs that I can park under. And it looks like I'm not the only one who had that clever idea. I'm going to climb the roof, see if there's any damage. Let's go see if there's any damage. Oh, it's okay. Seems fine. And let's check. .13. All right, good to go. Man, that's pretty random. Of all things, hail. You know, the funny thing is, last week it was so hot that I was 102 degrees last week where I was, and today it's literally hailing. That's kind of nuts. It's the next day after the hailstorm, and I'm just checking my voltage. It's 13.8, which means solar panels are in top shape. So no problem. Crazy though.